Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma expressed his condemnation of the comments made by Sam Pitroda'S. He said these remarks have hurt the sentiments of the Northeast people and other regions mentioned. He stressed that such statements do not fit into any context and are indicative of deep-seated thought processes. Sam Pitroda'S has resigned as the chairman of the Indian Overseas Congress yesterday after a significant controversy surrounding his racist remarks. Sangma's response comes in the wake of Pitroda'S statement where he remarked that people in the Northeast look like Chinese, South Indians look like Africans.
Comments that came from senior Congress leader, Mr. Sam Pitroda'S, is indeed very unfortunate, and it has really hurt the sentiments of the people of Northeast and similarly people from other parts of the country. But when we hear senior leaders from the Congress party speak in such derogatory and discriminatory language, it does really hurt the sentiments of our people. And so whatever context they may say that they have spoken in any context, a particular comment like this doesn't really go too well with the people of the country.